the move. It's got a high-quality cab interior, incorporating an armrest console with ergonomic tactile interface. It has the switch operator. Operator. The machine also comes containers with specifications and on this particular model include axles which are mechanically adjustable in 4-inch increments from between 68 and 80 inches. The sound rise between that 6 meters and all sound spread and efficient with sound technology, capable of operating in pressure as low as 1 bar. It can be operated up to 80 bar pressure when working. The tank has a very wide interior and is easily fitted into one side.
Yeah.
The storage department meaning your protection training and spares to be kept on board at all times. And as a rear, the pipework is minimised, reducing the risk of pressure drops and spikes, and all the time ensuring an efficient wash button. It has a 24-metre back high accuracy, and dual reactor monitor line control over 2 separate models extended by only 1 line. This of course means fast fitting between lines. Going back to washing out, it's simple to select both lines on the armrest, with the machine then cleaning the spray line and both nozzle sets simultaneously. This provides the flexibility to use multiple different models for different process rates throughout the year. It's powered by a 6-cylinder Dutch engine featuring aerodynamic hydraulics and agricultural machinery. The Infinity series comprises 2 models of 5,000 or 6,000 litre capacity. And they tell me the one on display now is the first Infinity 6.7. There's an all-new chassis, meaning the Infinity can accommodate larger wheels, yet still enjoying a turning circle of just 7.6 meters. The 4-wheel steering can be engaged with the touch of a button, and there are multiple modes to match every operation. These include 2 different modes that work on all 4 wheels to help provide maximum turn or true traction.